racing. Just is started. We have got is good. Very quickly a start. Moving up by the rail is Luke, who's playing. Naman comes next. Master Kenneth moving upon the outside play. They play. While sound of the wind is there. The trailer ran going along. For the first turn we have got is good by about 5 lengths. Right when in second is Luke, who's playing. Naman is down in third and followed over by Fly. They play. Moving upon the young rotative is sound of the wind. While Master Kenneth is in behind them. Half mile distance they traveled. We have got is good, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Luke, who's playing. Now closing in second Fly. They play. Now in third and followed over by Naman. Sound of the wind while Master Kenneth is still in behind them. Another partner. Now we have 2 runners. Parallel for the lead. God is good. Is running by the rail. Moving upon the outside. Now is Luke, who's playing. Down into this play. They play. Then comes Naman. Sound of the wind while Master Kenneth is still running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. We have Luke, who's playing, is on the outside. God is good, is running by the rail with about 100 meters of the race. 2 entries, fired out for the lead. God is good. Luke, who's playing, is on the outside. God is good. Luke, who's playing, but it's a close finish. Between God is good, Luke, who's playing, then comes down of the wind. Naman play, Aday play, and Master Kenneth.
Di naman, close na, between 1 and 2. Ito,